Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Christmas radar in Garden Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Christmas radar looks like, and before I show you how you can use this item, I'm going to show you how you can get the Christmas radar. So guys, you can get this item from the Christmas shop. Okay, I'm going to talk to the NPC and you can buy the Christmas radar right here. And this is the function of the Christmas radar. It can scan and collect fruits with any Christmas type mutations. Okay, and let's apply it together guys. I'm going to click anywhere on my garden. Okay, and it can scan and collect the Christmas mutated fruits or plants. And yeah, it's good. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the Christmas radar in Garden Roblox in the Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.